Tonight on Newsnight, there'll be none of your usual Bolshevik Broadcasting Corporation nonsense. Just rejoice. Rejoice at that news. Who the hell are you?
Also tonight, the Prime Minister.
Alas, poor Yorick. I knew him well.
It's 30 years since Spitting Image began. Perpetrators and victims join us for a memorial service for television satire. Well, that's all for tonight. On tomorrow night's show, we'll be...
I know what's on tomorrow night's show. The same left-wing Bolshevik nonsense that's on the BBC every night. Well, no more. Tomorrow belongs to me. We'll be talking privatisation. You'll be first, Jeremy. And who are all these people? Look at all this over-manning. Planning editor? What does she do? Oh, she can go. Barton McFarlane, he sounds like a communist. Who switched out the lights? Arthur Scargill?